Going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set 6 integer 32-bit. So in the last video I'm talking about these about 16 instead of 32. So if you don't know, just go watch it. And if you want to stay longer, you need to do is look at this. You need to create a array buffer of 16, and now instead of setting 32-bit, you need to pass a 32-bit. So pass 214, the max 32-bit integer, 74 and 83647. This is the max 32-bit, and the get integer 16 will be get integer 32, and this here. So when we do that, it's gonna give you the highest, the bit max 32-bit signed integer. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.